In today's fast-paced business world, efficiency is the key to success. Yet, many organizations grapple with hidden inefficiencies that hinder progress and drive up costs. Imagine a world where every process in your organization operates seamlessly, with a smooth value stream without obstacles, reducing costs and paving the way for operational excellence. That world is not far away, and the solution lies in the heart of process improvement in practice. Leading the way in this transformative journey, I am Muhammad Barakat, the instructor of this course, with over 2 decades of practical experience in process improvement. I'll be glad to guide you to unlock the true potential of your organization. In process improvement in practice, you will gain insights into the 6 management work styles, master the art of constructing process maps at various levels, and seamlessly integrate mapping skills into your daily operations. We will dive into the 10-step process improvement methodology with real-life applications and enrich your understanding with the integration of the 32 redesign principles. This course is not just theory, it's a practical roadmap to success. Learn to apply strategic process improvement principles step by step in your pathway to excellence. Process improvement in practice. Elevate your skills and drive operational success.